Hey everyone, in this video we will look at how to create a calculated column in Power BI. So I've got some data loaded in, and you can see that the date dimension is not joined to anything. So and there's a reason for that, because you look at the dim date table. So I'll just look at the data. I'll click on dim date, and it doesn't have a joining key. Like, it has full date alternate key, but if you go to the fact internet sales table, you will see that it's got date keys which are in a different format. So let's say I want to join my dim date dimension to my fact internet sales table. So what I need to do is create a date key on the basis of which I can join. So I'll go to dim date table, and there's multiple ways to do this. You could go to the modeling tab on the Power BI desktop and create new column, or you could go to the dim date dimension and click on this three dots and click on new column. So we'll just do it from here. So I'm clicking on new columns, and what it does is it just gives me a column. So I'll just call it date key, and I'll say format. I'll use the format function, and I'll pass the full date alternate key, and I'll say give it to me in format YYYYMMDD, because I know I can join on this format. So I'll just hit enter, and you can see it's given me the same format. Now I can go to the relationships tab and click on manage relationships, and let's see if I click on auto detect and if it does anything or not. So it's not found any relationship, so I'll just create a new one on my own, and I'll say that I want to join fact internet sales table, order date key, to dim date table, and I'll just select the date key and click OK. And so I've defined a relationship. So you might have some data where you might need to do some manipulation in Power BI desktop, and you can do that manipulation using DAX formulas. So create new measures. You could create calculated columns here, and then use those calculated columns in Power BI. So in this video, we've learned how to create calculated columns, or columns which do not exist, but we can use existing columns to create a new column and then use that. I hope you find this video useful, and thanks for watching this video. Please do subscribe to my channel if you enjoy what I'm doing. Thank you.